The car just overheated, so we're stuck on the side of the road, so we thought this would be the perfect time to do this video because we've been trying to get to it, but we just haven't got to it. You know how that happens.
Probably put out this window because, boy, the car's done this vicious out here.
Alright, we're gonna fix up the windows for y'all. Alright,
There we go.
so this one's struggling. We stopped posting videos not because we didn't want to, but because our hard drive crashed and we lost all our old footage and all the vlogs we were editing at the time. Well, mine did. You used to have one, but yeah, I had like 3 or 4 vlogs editing or something that one was coming out very soon. And
I have a few, but they're like so outdated that I'm like, it don't even make sense. Like, I didn't remember a lot of that shit happened, so I'm like, let's just move forward in life, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm doing the most recent one now, and then we'll take it from there as we have new ideas and new ways that we want to incorporate our life into these vlogs here.
So we actually got the hard drive or the computer repaired with a new hard drive. Just replaced the hard drive and the battery, and now we can start fresh. There's no backed up footage to work on. It's just starting fresh. So we're gonna get all these ideas out. We're gonna focus on the main ideas we've been wanting to make now that we have a clean palette to start from. And yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be some good shit.
So we not giving up on y'all, and we see y'all soon.
Yeah, boy. I just had this as just like a backup just in case. I was like, might as well have a little out the beer in the trunk. Slimy. Oh, it's sludge. That's it. Whoa. That can't be good. He just needs a good clean out. I had to clean out the pipes.
Oh yeah, you recorded.
Yeah.
Good thing I didn't say what I was gonna say. Yeah.
Hopefully that helps a little bit. What's it? Oh, that's a weekend. I don't know what that is.
Oh fuck, something blew up.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Sprawl out on the wall for all to see. Yeah, that.
see, it's a bright light in my eyes.
Nappy.
Done.
Nappy.
Done.
Nappy Dunne. Not you. He's like, I'm not having any of it. Sorry to miss the candle blowing and stuff, but it's another birthday. It's crazy, right? You have a birthday every week in here. In this family. It's crazy.
We got better things to do. I joke. It's mom's birthday.
It's true.
Yeah, and I got. We by her house. Yeah, like having a little a shindig. No, Corey. Yeah, and. Oh, okay. I got work on this.
Hi. Beat you up on the phone.
It seems so. I actually don't even know who it is. Like legit.
They hit you with DMs.
Added me on Snapchat.
That promotion been working, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Jay keeps saying hit me in the DMs.
Yeah.
People say hit me in the DMs. But yeah.
Keep that up. Alright, so how we.
So yeah, basically this was just like an update video to let you guys know what happened, why we like pieced out for one little bit, because we didn't intend to piece out for one little bit,
Yeah.
but fate made us piece out for one little bit, so we pieced out for one little bit. Now we're back, basically starting from scratch now. So this is just a little update video. We really just wanted to let you guys know what happened, but we just threw in some other content there so you could watch. Which it was a good day. It was mom's birthday, which this was like in the past. This was like months ago.
That's like 3-4 months, but you know what I'm saying. Still her birthday. So we've got a new Instagram for videos like these. We'll be separating business from, you know, vlogs and personal stuff. But yeah, we got new Instagram. Check it out here or somewhere here. Flo-Motion and lifestyle.
Wait. The screen would be that way, so it should be. So it's over in this corner up here. Hopefully we're pointing to it.
So it'll be there. It's fresh. You see, we can throw in a little screenshot of that too. And yeah, we plan to be coming back stronger, harder, faster, better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Smack the fuck out of that subscribe button.
Yeah, boy.
And we see y'all soon.
Wait. we had a lot, you know. What? Oh, that's what we were gonna say about. Is that this video?
No.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's
I'll leave that out.
yeah.
I think we're good. Yeah.